Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change transmission fluid Ford Escape 2017 updated. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then gather gloves and eye protection. Use a drip pan sized for several quarts and place wheel chocks behind the rear tires. Work with the engine off and cool, and disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. Keep a clean workspace and have replacement fluid and tools ready. Warm the vehicle briefly, then raise it and support it with jack stands placed on solid points. Position the drip pan under the transmission and remove the drain plug or loosen the pan bolts to drain fluid slowly. Once drained, remove the pan completely and inspect the magnet for metal shavings, noting any unusual wear. Clean the gasket surface thoroughly and inspect the pan for damage before continuing with filter replacement. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker adds easy voice control and music while you work, and it makes a great garage buddy for timers and audio instructions. It's compact, sounds surprisingly good, and pairs well with your phone or tools. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the pan removed, replace the transmission filter and ensure it seats properly to avoid leaks. Fit a new gasket or apply approved sealant, then reinstall the pan and torque bolts to the specified values using a cross pattern. Lower the vehicle, start the engine, and add the recommended transmission fluid through the dipstick tube until the correct level is reached with the engine at operating temperature. Check for leaks and test drive to confirm proper shifting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.